Have you ever wondered why some people carry invisible burdens? Why the same struggles, the same challenges, seem to repeat, lifetime after lifetime? And why, even when you give your best effort, unseen forces seem to hold you back? What if I told you there is a way, a simple, yet profound spiritual practice that can help you release lifetimes of karma in just 5 minutes a day? This is not a fantasy. This is not a myth. It is a sacred secret, revealed by the great master, Paramahansa Yogananda, a key to inner freedom, peace, and transformation. And today, I will share it with you. So stay with me until the end, because what you are about to hear has the power to change your destiny forever. Before we begin, pause for a moment, take a deep breath, and subscribe to Inner Divine, your sanctuary for meditation, wisdom, and spiritual awakening. Hit the bell icon so you never miss these timeless teachings. And share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us what resonates with you, what you feel in your heart, and how you plan to bring this wisdom into your daily life. Together, let us walk this sacred path toward light, peace, and liberation. The nature of karma. Karma is the law of cause and effect. Every thought, every word, every action plants a seed. And these seeds grow into experiences, joys, or sorrows that we carry across lifetimes. Yogananda explained, karma is not punishment. It is simply the soul's teacher. It shapes us so that we may learn and evolve. But here's the secret. Karma is not permanent. It can be dissolved through higher awareness, through divine remembrance, and through sacred practice. Yogananda often said that karma is like riding on water. It may look strong, but with the right vibration, it can vanish instantly. And what is this vibration? It is the vibration of God's name, the vibration of the divine within. In just 5 minutes of deep inner communion, lifetimes of karma can begin to dissolve. Because the soul, touched by spirit, burns away the past, like fire burns dry grass. This sacred practice is simple, and it requires no ritual, no complex technique. Just stillness, just focus, just remembrance. Allowing your soul to reconnect with the divine within. Yogananda called it contact with the inner divine. A connection so profound, even 5 minutes can shift the weight of lifetimes. Sit quietly. Close your eyes gently. Breathe slowly and deeply, letting every inhale bring in peace, and every exhale release tension and distraction. Lift your gaze softly toward the spiritual eye, the subtle point between your eyebrows, the gateway to higher consciousness. Silently call upon the divine, with love, with devotion, and with complete surrender. This simple act, this sacred 5 minutes, is stronger than years of restless living. A moment where your soul remembers its freedom. Now, let us enter this practice together. Close your eyes, take a deep, calming breath, and exhale slowly, releasing everything that does not serve you. Feel the stillness around you, and let it settle deeply within. Bring your awareness gently to the point between the eyebrows. Focus there softly, as if looking into infinite light. Silently repeat in your heart, I am thine. I am thine. Or simply, God. 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 Let each repetition wash away hidden impressions, old memories, unseen burdens, like morning mist dissolving in the sun. For these 5 sacred minutes, you are free. You are light. You are the soul, untouched by karma, and connected once again to your eternal source, where peace, love, and liberation await. Why does this work? Because karma lives in the subconscious mind. And when you touch the superconscious, the light of the soul burns through the darkness, It's like turning on a lamp in a room that's been dark for centuries. The shadows cannot remain. They simply dissolve. Yogananda taught that meditation is not escape. It is power. It is the highest science. The science of soul liberation. Yogananda often shared that disciples who practiced this method saw instant transformation. One student came with deep grief. She had lost her family and carried unbearable sorrow. Yogananda guided her to practice 5 minutes each day, sitting in stillness, calling God with love. Within weeks, her face changed. Her burdens lifted. Her eyes shone with light. That is the miracle of inner contact. Modern science tells us everything is vibration. Our thoughts, our emotions, our very cells, all vibrate with energy. Karma is simply vibration stored in the soul's memory. But when you raise your vibration, through devotion, through meditation, you overwrite the past. You record a new frequency, and the old patterns lose their grip. Practical daily use. So how do you bring this sacred practice into your daily life? It's simple, yet profoundly transformative. In the morning, before your day begins, and in the evening, before sleep, take just 5 minutes of stillness. 5 minutes devoted solely to calling upon the divine. Sit quietly, breathe slowly. Let your mind settle like calm water. And slowly, you will notice subtle changes within. Anger softens. Fear loses its grip. Old habits weaken. And a sense of peace, of deep calm, begins to grow. This is how karma dissolves. Not through sudden miracles, but in gentle, daily drops of grace. As your soul gradually remembers its freedom. Yogananda promised that those who practice faithfully, with love and devotion, can erase lifetimes of burdens, even within a single incarnation. Consider this for a moment. The pain of centuries, the weight of countless past lives, can be gently washed away through meditation, through devotion, through the conscious presence of God within you. This is the true secret of freedom, a freedom that is available to you right now, in these precious moments, through the simple, consistent act of turning inward, toward the light, toward your eternal, unbounded self. As we come to the close of today's journey, let us enter the sacred silence once more. Take a slow, deep breath in, and gently exhale. Feel the stillness surrounding you, and the calm awakening within. Now, lift your inner gaze toward the point of light between your eyebrows. Call softly upon the infinite presence. With love, with surrender, with trust. Repeat in your heart, I am free. I am free. I am free. Let these words sink deeply, clearing shadows of the past, dissolving unseen burdens. Carry this sacred vibration with you, through every thought, every action, every breath. And watch, as karma fades away, like morning mist before the rising sun. If this message has touched your soul, pause for a moment, and subscribe to Inner Divine. This channel is not just about words. It is a sacred space. A circle of seekers, walking together on the path of awakening. Here, you will find timeless wisdom, powerful practices, and the living presence of the great masters, to help you release burdens, discover peace, and remember your true self. By subscribing, you are saying yes to your inner journey. Yes to light, love, and freedom. So join us now. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. Share your reflections in the comments below. And together, let us continue to walk the eternal path of divine liberation.